Okay, so what was your strategy in prelims? Because you have cleared four prelims consecutively, that too after not clearing the initial two prelims. So what changed for you? When did things started changing for you? And what approach change you had in the third attempt onwards in prelims?
So basically, sir, my strategy for prelims kept evolving as the demand of the paper kept evolving. I do not know or do not remember about my first prelims, but I failed my second prelims in CSAT at borderline. In JS, I had a grade score of 107 marks, and I just attempted. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
So you can do that part in editing. So I failed my second prelims in CSAT on borderline. And in GS, I had a score of 107. I just attempted 68 questions. So that level of accuracy I had in prelims in that year in GS. So in my third prelims, I prepared thoroughly for CSAT as well as for GS. And for GS, I continued on the same strategy. In 2022, also, I somewhere attempted 69 questions and still I got 106 score. And in CSAT, I got passed easily. In 2023, paper was highly non-conventional. In fact, it was a shock for the aspirant community, the level of prelims, because the pattern changed altogether. So I attempted somewhere 75 questions and end up scoring around 85 marks in prelims that year in GS, and I passed CSAT comfortably. So my strategy on CSAT remained the same as I designed it in 2022, and I went for CSAT in all the successive attempts with the same strategy, and I luckily I got all through all of them. In GS, it kept evolving. In 2024, I was not that confident in GS. So I attempted somewhere around 90 questions because my accuracy was down and the paper has changed. The pattern has changed. So you have to take more chances in order to get you through prelims. And in 2025, the paper was kind of lengthy, but I still attempted around 83 to 84 questions. So I used to work in combination with knowledge as well as skill. I believe that solving prelims in modern times is a kind of skill. You have to solve questions using a simple hint that you have. You are not going to get through all of the questions through the basis of knowledge. You can solve hardly 30 to 32 questions based on knowledge purely. After that, you have to rely on a mix of a little knowledge and your elimination skills.